Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Business Profile for Map Pack Rankings, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, enter your business name in the search bar. If your business appears, select it from the list. If you don't see it, click on Add Your Business to Google. Fill in your business information, including name, address, and phone number. Choose the appropriate business category for your services. Include a business website if you have one. Confirm your location by checking the map. If you serve customers outside your location, check the box for I deliver goods and services to my customers. Set your service areas if applicable. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Add your business hours so customers know when to visit. Provide a description of your business to highlight your services. Upload high-quality images of your business, products, or services. Complete other optional fields, like your menu or services offered. Review all provided information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click Finish. You may need to verify your business through a postcard sent by Google. Wait for the postcard, which typically arrives within a few days. Once you receive it, follow the instructions to enter the verification code online. After verification, your Google Business Profile will be live. Optimize your profile by regularly updating information and engaging with customer reviews. Monitor your profile's performance to enhance visibility in the Map Pack rankings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.